Hi, nice to meet you, Pooja. I will show you some samples. This one is a children's book. Hardcover. This cover is 157 GSM art paper with 2 mm high density gray board. Glossy finished, anti-scratch lamination. And this book is also a children's book. Hardcover. This cover is also 157 GSM art paper with 2 mm high density gray board. Matte finish. Anti-scratch lamination. So I also recommend you using anti-scratch lamination. It can help product's surface. For the binding mousse, this one is case bound, like this. And this one is lay fit. So, which one do you prefer? As for the inner pages, these samples use 420 GSM paper. And this one uses 157 GSM paper. You mentioned you want to use 80-pound paper. It's like this. It may be a little thin. So, do you want to choose one more thicker paper? Thank you, that's all.